Meeting your team. All right, you guys, we just talked about the importance of identifying the support team, the people that you're going to be building this business with.
Yes.
And now it's really getting into, okay, how do we make sure that they know what your goals, what your objectives are, and you to start to understand who they are. So how do you suggest people do that?
So setting up a call, right? Just reach out to them or get your enroller with you and say, hey, 2 o'clock on Wednesday works for me. Can you find out with those 3 to 5 people who can meet, at that time on that day? What's going to happen then is you are going to meet that team member. You are going to be blessed. They're wanting to hear everything about you. Why did you join this business? What are you excited about? Tell us the story of you, right? And then when we hear the story as your support system in your family, it fuels us. So when our phones go off or any of the texts go off and we see your name, we know why you are doing this business. And it really, really makes a difference. But what is so beautiful for you is you're going to meet these people. You're going to hear their story. You're going to hear their journey. Why did they join LifeVantage? What happened to them, on the product side? What happened to them on the business side? What happened to them on the personal growth side? What did events do for them, right? It's the whole story, and it is powerful. And we each have our own stories, as far as the support family too. And you're going to want to know those stories so that you feel comfortable reaching out to them, because I'm telling you, everybody's here for you. But the other important part is, again, knowing them to connect them with your people and feeling that comfort. It's just so important.
All right, so step out of your comfort zone
Yes.
if this isn't comfortable for you to do.
Yes, so important.
Because I promise in the long run, having these initial conversations, getting to know who people are, and them getting to know you is super, super valuable, especially early on in your business.
And I'm telling you too, it's way more fun when you know the people and you're working together with them regularly. It's way more fun.